of Banachek. Banachek!
Yes.
Welcome to Unscrewed.
Oh, my pleasure.
So first of all, what is a mentalist?
Well, a mentalist is somebody who performs with mind, sort of like trickery. Not a psychic. It's different than a psychic. A psychic claims to really be able to read your mind and move objects, whereas a mentalist entertains you. And he might use everything from verbal communication, nonverbal communication, magic sometimes, psychology, perceptual manipulation. It's a mixture of all these things put together to make a show, but nothing psychic.
Okay, can you do something with your mentalist powers right now that's really going to like astound me right off the bat?
I can try to do something like that. All right, I'll tell you what, we got a couple of forks here.
You got some forks?
All right,
Look at all these forks he's got. What, do you go to
Hey,
Denny's and like walk out with it like that?
That's exactly what I do. A newspaper, you pick one up. Yeah, take one of these.
Okay.
That's the one you want? You don't want this one?
I don't.
You sure about that?
No.
Okay, that's
He's trying to trick me.
No, you're going to do this, hopefully, as well.
Okay,
What you do
all
is you rub it like this, and I'll show you. Watch. We'll do it like this. We're not even touching it. Look right here up at the top. Watch the time.
What are you bending?
See?
You see that?
Now, these are real forks. Like you said, they did come from Denny's. I mean, this is brandware.
These are some cheap-ass forks, man.
No, you can do it like this, too. Watch me. Watch. See? Just like that.
The fork is getting aroused. How did you do that? How do you do that?
I'll tell you what, one more. Let's try another one. Then I'm going to try a couple with you, too, if you don't mind. Hold your hand out like this, okay? I'm
gonna
take
hurt me?
this. No. Just put your fingers together. Okay, I'm going to put that in your hand like that. Close your hand on it. Okay? Bring your hand right about there.
Okay.
Now, this is what's going to happen. You're going to feel something weird happening in your hand. It might be like a pulsing or pushing something, but this is what's going to happen. It's going to start to get soft, almost like plastic in your hand. Are you ready? The moment you think, you feel something, good. The moment you think you feel something happening in your hand, I want you to let me know, and you will feel something. Something will start to happen. Here we go, very slowly. It's not much. Here we go, slowly. Here we go, a little more. Can you actually feel something, or are you just kidding?
No, I feel something.
Okay, good. I'm going to take a hold of your wrist. And now I'm going to take the fork like this, and watch what happens. It becomes soft, almost like plastic. See that?
Yeah.
Can you feel that? I mean,
I can feel it.
It's like plastic, isn't it? Yeah? I'll tell you what, let go of it for a second. Cup your hands out like this. Cup your hands out, both hands. Watch what happens. Watch right here. Watch. It's become soft, almost like plastic. Like, there we go. Look at that. Can you see that? I mean, it's. Let's see if I can get to actually break. Here we go.
Ah! He broke the fork. Dude, that is so fake. How'd you do that? That was so weird. When I felt it in my hand, it was like this weird feeling, like when I first discovered girls.
Yeah, it is something like that, isn't it? Actually, well, I want to try one with you if you don't mind, okay? Take a look at these two forks. Take a good look at them. Make sure they're good and solid. Yes? Put them together,
Yes.
see how well they fit.
They fit like a fork in a fork.
A fork and a
Like they're spooning each other.
Actually, there is a little bit of a difference. If you look, you can see a little bit of a difference right there, but not that much. And she's going to do this anyway, okay? Which one do you want to use? It's up to you.
This one.
This one? Okay,
Yeah.
good. This one's going to be that'll be sort of the test fork right there. Hold your left hand out like this. I'm going to put this one in your hand like that. Put your other hand on top like this, okay? Good. You're going to do this in your hand.
Okay.
I want you to rub the fork like this and believe that it's starting to bend. Don't move it. Just barely touch it like this. Just
Believe,
like that.
Laura.
And I want you to become an actress for a second. Believe it's starting to bend in your mind. A little more. Keep going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. There we go. As you go back and forth, is it getting a little warmer in your hand? Not yet. Keep going. I know it's cold in here, but keep going. You'll feel it very slow. A little slow. There we go. A little more. Can you feel the center of the fork against your top hand?
Yeah.
It's pushing against it. It's bending, but it's going slowly. You've never done this before, so keep going. Oh, I can actually see it now. There we go. Stop. This is the test fork. Let's take a look. Yeah, I can definitely see the difference.
Laura Swisher bent a fork. She bent a fork.
Wow.
Oh my God.
I mean,
Banachek, this is unbelievable.
Well, she's not done yet. One more second. Take your hand like this and just rub that one like that. Rub it like that and watch what happens. Yeah, just rub it like that. Can you see that? It's actually bending.
Wow.
Isn't that weird?
That's amazing.
Wow. So this is the same type of thing around Europe when they're that age. You're in a lab bending spoons.
I know.